Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for this opportunity. Today, I will present how artificial intelligence, specifically ChatGPT, serves as an mm, effective learning tool for English as a second language or how to learn uh, particularly university student in an uh, E- EFL context. Uh, English is a global language that is essential in many fields, but learning it as a foreign language comes with numerous challenges. Innovative technologies like ChatGPT can play a crucial role in overcoming this challenge. Next. Here, introduction. AI technology number one, AI technology is increasingly intelligent into language learning. Number two, ChatGPT is an advanced AI bot that simulates human conversation, making language practice accessible anytime. Uh, Learning English as a second language involves several difficulties such as limits vocabulary, grammatical error, pronunciation issue, and few opportunities to practice speaking with native speakers. AI technologies like ChatGPT can address this issue by providing interactive real-time conversation practice, instant corrective feedback, and a personalized learning experience that adapt to individual students' needs. Next, research objective. Mm, This study aims to explore how ChatGPT support English language development from the perspectives of EFL university students. The investigation focuses on their real-life learning experience interacting with ChatGPT over a period of approximately uh, 12 months. In her this objective objectives are to in how ChatGPT facilitates English language development from students' perspectives and to provide empirical advice on ChatGPT benefit in real learning in environments. Next, methodology. We ask a qualitative phenomenological approach to deeply understand participants' life experience. Your study involved 21 senior English major from a university in Iran. They were called as daily learning journals maintained maintained by student and semi-student interview to gain data into the impact of ChatGPT on their language skill. Next, uh, language proficiency enhancement. Uh, Improve grammar, actually support by immediate corrective feedback, which helps learners recognize and correct errors from for more accurate reviews. Expand vocabulary, expression, the use of contextual example, allowing learners to understand and apply new words meaningfully in different situations. Uh, Next, enhance pronunciation facilitated by real-time auditory feedback, enabling learners to practice and improve their spoken language sound production and effectively. Mm, Course study experience significant improvements in several language areas. ChatGPT help expand their vocabulary through contextual expand, allow them to practice grammar with instant correction and improve their pronunciation by providing auditory models and immediate feedback. This interactive contextual approach context with traditional rote learning method and enhance both understanding and retention. Next, real interactive practice in language learning. Real-time conversation practice enables learners to use language spontaneously, helping them to fluency and think during actual conversation. Instant feedback during practice support corrects and improvement of language output and auxiliary and confidence. Set interacts projects and outcome and visual, which is essential for developing natural speaking skill and overcoming hesitation. Mhm. Is ChatGPT also often with real-time conversation practice, closely simulating interaction with native speakers. This feature reduces student and anxiety and increase their speaking fluency by enabling fluent loudspeaker communication practice. Instant feedback further support learners by immediately correcting errors or suggesting better expense. Next, uh, personalized learning experience highlight two main aspects. Number one, the learning path is adaptive, customized to its learning individual language proficiency levels and specific learning goals. This ensures the content and collects are suitable and relevant for the learners to current state. To the learning process in itself as giving learning the flexibility to study according their own time and private speed with support for school and learning purpose. Personal learning, another important advance is ChatGPT's capability to, to personalize learning paths according to its student proficiency and learning goals. It adjusts content differently, confess on with skill, and support self-paced study, empowering students to take ownership of their learning and progress evidence. Next, learning environment. AI companionship play a significant role in enriching learner engagement and helping to reduce anxiety, especially in speaking parts creates a more comfortable and encouraging atmosphere for language learners. Uh, the inclusion of communication elements and continuous support the first to motivate learners to maintain consistent and sustained use of the language, enhancing long-term learning outcomes. Mm, by one skill development, student repeat the ChatGPT create a friendly, motivating learning atmosphere feature like conversation AI, competition, and gamification element made studying enjoyable and have a session academic. Moreover, ChatGPT 24/7 availability gave learning flexible access to paving anytime, reinforcing concept learning. Next, mm, mm, higher skill development student part the ChatGPT create a friendly, motivating learning atmosphere. Feature like conversational AI, composition, and chemical AI tool like ChatGPT into language curricula hold revolutions teaching process by enabling more personalized, interactive, and autonomous learning. However, teachers need support and training to effort. inter- incorporate such technologies to maximize their benefit while maintaining the vital role of human interaction. Will this phenomenological study provide this rich qualitative insight is result are based on a small number of participants and specific context. Future research should include the diverse population and qualitative measures to generation to further students could has explain more specific language skill like writing or listening and explore cross-cultural application. And then um, conclusion. In conclusion, ChatGPT represents a powerful and engaging tool for English language learning, supporting vocabulary acquisition, grammar, accessory pronunciation, and offering interactive personalized learning experience by enhancing learning motivation and autonomy. AI combined with traditional teaching can help with the gap in education. Thank you for your attention. And I got any question. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.